Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Afterpay with Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you have to open Cash App and log into your account. You will see the main interface. At the bottom, tap the magnifying glass icon here. Tap this option. It is basically the search option, which is the Discover section. Now type in Afterpay. So as you can see, Afterpay is not currently available as a direct partner on Cash App. That means you cannot use Afterpay through Cash App. But don't worry, there's another way. You can still use your Cash App card as a payment method in Afterpay. Here's how. Open the Afterpay app on your device. Select the product you want to purchase and add it to your cart. Then start the checkout process. When choosing your payment method, simply select your Cash App card. That will link to your Cash App balance. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Afterpay with Cash App. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.